In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw on Notion. Notion does not have a full drawing tool built in, but you can draw by embedding a simple online whiteboard into your page. I will show you a clean way to do that using Xcali Draw, so your drawing stays right inside Notion. Start in Notion and go to a new page. This can be a blank page or any page where you want your drawing to live. Click into the page and type the word highlight. This is just a quick way to create a text block you can work from, and it also makes it easy to see where you are placing the embed. Next, add an embed block. Click Embed and you will see an option to paste a link. Keep Notion open, because we will come back in a moment to insert the drawing link. Now switch over to Xcali Draw in your browser. Once it loads, go to the Share option in the top area. Click Share, then choose Start Session. This creates a shareable drawing session, which is what Notion will embed. After the session starts, click Copy Link. This copies the session link to your clipboard so you can paste it directly into Notion. Go back to your Notion page. Click into the same area where you added your text and paste the Xcali Draw link into the embed prompt. Then click Embed Link. Notion will load the Xcali Draw canvas right inside your page. Give it a moment to render, especially if your connection is slow. Once the embed appears, click on the embedded drawing area to select it and interact with it. Click again as needed to make sure the canvas is active. Then you can begin drawing directly inside the embedded Xcali Draw window. If you need more room, you can resize the embed by dragging its edges, and you can also scroll within the page to position it where it fits best with your notes. From here, you can keep the drawing alongside your text and return anytime to continue editing in place. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.